Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI. I'm about to apply some much needed foundation on my face, and I wanted to show you one of my favorite ones. This is the Clinique Even Better Refresh. It's a hydrating and repairing makeup. I love it because it's super light. So let me just show you the consistency of it. It is pretty like a liquid consistency, and I just apply it on. I'll probably put like a little bit more on for more coverage, and then you can see that it just blends in so nicely with your skin tone. So even if you don't get your exact color, I feel like it does a really nice job at blending in with different skin tones. And my favorite thing about it is how it has a very light coverage, and it doesn't feel heavy, and that is the main thing for me, is that it does not feel heavy at all. It feels actually really light. I like to tap the brush to get the product into the skin. I feel like that really helps it to last longer too. And voila, just like that, I have an even skin tone throughout my face thanks to the Clinique foundation. So if you're in the market for a hydrating, lightweight foundation, I highly recommend the Clinique Even Better Refresh. And that's my point of view.